Define the cornices in the roof editor. Customize them using the options in the Properties toolbox. Choose the material layer directly from the library. Or enter the thickness to assign to the object. Perform a multiple selection and assign characteristics to all cornices simultaneously. Also, define the cut type to assign to the cornice. Choose between the options, from slope or horizontal. When the cutting type selection is disabled, reposition the slope line on the slope itself. If the slope line is perpendicular to the cornice, choose the horizontal cut. Finally, define the material to assign to the cornice. View the model in the default 3D view. Replace materials if necessary. Modify the material layers or thickness.